Welcome on howtosolve.com YouTube channel. A most helpful tutorial for beginners AirPod users as well as that guy who forgot. Guide to reset AirPods and way to change AirPods settings on iPhone. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone and take your AirPods near to your iPhone. So your iPhone will show you a pop-up. Tap on Connect button to pair your AirPods to iPhone. Now you can wear your AirPod to listen to the playback. Press and hold the button on the back of the charging case until your AirPods connecting to your device. On the phone screen, you can appear AirPods and AirPods charging case battery percentage. Red battery sign means this is time to put your AirPods case into charging mode with a lighting cable or on the wireless charging pad. Let's see how to change AirPods settings. Open the Settings app on your phone. Tap on Bluetooth. Now, tap on icon next to the connected AirPods name. So on screen you can see, AirPods all settings, that you can change as you would like to use. Like AirPods microphone settings. The active AirPort microphone can automatically change from left to right, or be fixed to one side. Automatic ear detection. Automatically transfer the audio route from connected device to the AirPods when they are placed in your ears. Double tap AirPod settings for left and right. For Siri. Play and pause. Next track. Previous track. Choose off for double tap for particular AirPod. Rename AirPod. Here you can change your AirPod name. Enter funny AirPods name and tap on Done. Option for forgot this device and turn off AirPods by tapping on Disconnect. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest video notifications alert. Also be sure to follow on social media and we'll see in the next video.